So first things first, let's go to your story. And for the record, I'm doing all of this on PC and not on a phone or tablet. So go ahead and click inside your story. You should already have some characters made. If you don't, then please do so and then come back to this portion of the video. So if you do already have your characters made, all you have to do is click on who you want to be on the cover. And to keep things clean and to prevent your cover from looking too crowded, I would suggest using no more than 2 to 3 people. But anyways, with your character open, click on modify profile. So from here, you can create different styles for your characters. If you haven't already, I would suggest you to do that before we download your people. And once you have your outfits made, or whatever outfit you want her to wear on the cover, go ahead and select that image. Don't forget to change the expressions. You can do that. So let's say she has a shocked expression. So we can download it with the expressions for the characters as well. So make sure that you don't forget that step before you download your character. Alright, so once you've done all that, there's 2 ways to download your character image. And the first way is to simply right click on your character from this screen here and then select save image as. Now when you go to the image on your computer, you'll see here that she does not have a background, so it does save it as a beautiful, clean, ping image. Now the second way to download your character, if for some reason that first step didn't work, is to right click, open image in a new tab, go to the new tab. I know it looks like that there's a background here, but trust me, there isn't. So we're gonna follow the same steps as we did for the first run through, and we're going to right click here, save image as, and there is both of our characters. So now that you know how to save your characters, you can go back and repeat these steps for the rest of your characters or whoever you want to put on your cover. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished downloading my characters. So now that you have your characters downloaded, let's go ahead and switch over to canva.com. The link is in the description box of this video. So this is where you'll make your cover. Canva is free to use.